Accelerate learning, accelerate machines, accelerate knowledge. ACC Automation. Each year, we like to take a few minutes to reflect on the past, current, and future of ACC Automation. You have helped us build the site you see today through questions, comments, and suggestions. Thank you. In this COVID-19 world, we are continuing to adapt. Social distancing, mask wearing, hygiene, etc. are how we live. Video conferencing with Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet is just the norm today. Information is knowledge, and everyone more than ever wants to be able to see, control, and summarize production data regularly. Open, intuitive technologies are available to communicate like never before. Industrial plant data is rapidly changing. Factory 4.0, IoT benefits are being seen, and everyone wants to take advantage. We look forward to the new year and new possibilities for implementing your control solution. Detailed information contained in the video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. Starting the year, we looked at the Quick Start Guide for the Easy PLC software suite. The Easy PLC software suite is a complete PLC, HMI, and machine simulator. This Quick Start aims to help you quickly learn software suite. It will help you to learn PLC programming. Easy PLC has had a few updates throughout the year, adding more machines to program and learn. We continue to add more posts to our PLC learning software PLC. This includes how you can modify or design your 3D machine, simulate machines with ease with our drag and drop elements, improving on PLC training, logic testing, and machine design, all while maintaining safety using a virtual environment. We finished our PLC learning series by looking at the HMI. This series discussed PLC inputs, outputs, memory, numbering systems, cyclic scan, programming steps, and operator interfaces. The human-machine interface, or HMI, is present in some form for every PLC. The HMI connects to a system to exchange information or control data. This interaction with the system can be through hardware or software. Continuing our series for the Productivity 2000 PLC's controller throughout the year, we have discussed installing everything from software to looking at individual ladder logic instructions. The Bricks Do More PLC firmware update added high-speed inputs and outputs. We looked at how this was implemented through the high-speed input, high-speed timer, high-speed pulse catch. The Bricks Do More firmware also updated communication on the CPU. A Modbus I/O scanner was introduced. This reduced the time it takes to implement the protocol within the PLC. No more writing individual instructions to send and receive communication. Node-RED is an enabling software for IoT or Internet of Things. This means that we can communicate to control and read information from industrial equipment. Logging information in databases and analyzing this information is easily achieved. We explained how Node-RED flows can be done with the Productivity PLC MQTT. And now Node-RED is part of the Factory 4.0 control solution. We discussed click-to-click PLC communications in terms of communicating over Ethernet, Wi-Fi, as well as serial. Several other posts throughout the year answered your questions or further explained a feature. The analog input on the Click PLC comes to mind. This showed how you can use nonlinear scaling. Based on the information from a survey on our YouTube channel, the PLC training series discussed the development of the PLC. The main components of the PLC controller were broken down and explained. We are currently in the process of our Productivity 2000 and Easy PLC Software Suite series. Through your comments and suggestions, we have updated our website. It is designed to quickly work on any computer, phone, or tablet. Maneuvering around the website has been simplified, and the right-hand sidebar menu makes subscribing to the website easier. Let me know what you think in the comments below. "2023 will prove to be an exciting time. We will continue with our 2 current series with additional examples of 3D simulations of the process. This will be done with the physical PLC hardware and the free PLC simulators from Do More Designer or Productivity Suite. Further Node-RED flow programming and implementation examples will be demonstrated. This will include discussing the data hub and unified namespace, etc. As always, we will answer your questions and applications so you can quickly implement your control solution. Don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you once again for supporting the website in 2022. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. If you have any questions about the video, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you want more information about us or you want our free ebooks on numbering systems or robust data logging, please click on the link in the description below to get it. A new video is posted every Monday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get more videos like this in the future. Remember to click the bell beside your subscription to actually receive those notifications. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.